What is emotional identification in CBT? Have you ever felt a wave of emotions and struggled to name what you were feeling? This is where emotional identification in cognitive behavioral therapy comes into play. It is all about recognizing and naming the specific emotions you experience in response to different situations or thoughts. This skill is essential for emotional regulation, allowing you to understand your feelings rather than feeling lost in them. When you can identify your emotions, you can respond to them more effectively. Instead of reacting impulsively or avoiding your feelings, you can take a moment to understand what is happening inside you. Emotional identification helps you see the connection between your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. By pinpointing your emotions, you can examine the thoughts that trigger them and challenge any unhelpful thinking patterns. For many young people today, especially those in Generation Z, emotional identification is particularly relevant. With the fast-paced changes and social pressures they face, being able to name emotions like anxiety, sadness, or excitement can help them gain control over their reactions. This skill creates a pause between feeling and reacting, which is crucial for managing stress and mental health challenges. So, how can you practice emotional identification? One effective method is to use mood tracking apps or journals. By noting your daily emotions and the situations that trigger them, you can increase your awareness over time. Another helpful technique is practicing mindfulness exercises. These exercises help you tune into bodily sensations linked to your emotions, making it easier to label how you feel. Expanding your emotional vocabulary is also important. Instead of just saying you feel happy or sad, try to identify more specific emotions like disappointed or overwhelmed. This allows for better emotional identification and understanding. Reflecting on how these identified emotions influence your behaviors can also be enlightening. For example, if you notice you withdraw from friends when feeling anxious, you can work on changing that pattern. In essence, emotional identification in cognitive behavioral therapy is about developing a clear understanding of your emotional experiences. This awareness is the first step toward building emotional regulation skills that help you manage your reactions and improve your mental health. By learning to identify and understand your emotions, you can make more thoughtful choices in your daily life.